Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about inspectors in 1948 Factories Act. Whatever how the inspectors are being appointed, whatever the responsibilities and powers they have. So state government appoints various types of inspectors in order to properly maintain the law and order in manufacturing units. These are chief inspectors, deputy chief inspectors, joint chief inspectors, additional chief inspectors. So these are appointed by the state government by giving notification or advertisement on the official gazette. Now when we talk about the powers of inspectors, they can examine the premises. Premises means where the manufacturing process are taking place, inquire about the accidents, if any accidents or injury happens to anybody involved in the manufacturing process. Inspector can go to that factory and inquire about the accident. He can scrutinize the docs, whatever the documents are there. He can seize the docs if he thinks that any of the documents are required in order to inquire anything. He can seize those docs. He can record things. He can do photography or audio recordings or videography if he thinks that particular thing is required to do any kind of inquiry related to the accident or any other things which he feels that law is not being abide. Now apart from these inspectors, state government also appoint a surgeon. Surgeon basically examine the health of the people engaged in the manufacturing process in the factories in the area which he is working for.